Hi, my name is Carole Raddato, and I'm delighted to come over to the US to give what will be my first lecture tour in North America. I will be speaking at Rutgers University, Brookings College Graduate Center in Manhattan, and Harvard University, and I will be presenting my following Hadrian project. 18 years ago, as I developed a strong interest in the history of the ancient world, I started to travel extensively across the Mediterranean region to visit archaeological sites and museums. Throughout my journeys, I began to focus more on the Emperor Hadrian, who was himself a prolific traveler. My lectures will tell you about my archaeological travels and in particular about my Hadrian 1900 project, which aims at retracing the Emperor Hadrian's journeys. Hadrian ruled for 21 years, from 117 to 138 CE. He is renowned for his interest in Greek culture and the arts, his building projects throughout the Roman Empire, and his extensive travels. Indeed, Hadrian's reign was marked by a series of long journeys during which he virtually visited every province of his empire. So when I am looking for new ideas for my travels, I usually take inspiration from his journeys, and it's a great motivation for me to follow him in his footsteps. 6 years ago, in 2017, as we celebrated the 1900th anniversary of Hadrian becoming emperor, I kicked off my Hadrian 1900 project. The project aims at recreating the journeys made by the emperor in strict chronological order and to celebrate the 1900th anniversary of each successive historical event on my following Hadrian blog. As I was born 1900 years after Hadrian in 1976, the idea is to be present at the same place and at the same age as he was. The project has provided me with the opportunity to document and photograph countless archaeological sites throughout Europe, North Africa, and the Near East. The institutional depository of my photos is the Library of the American Academy in Rome. During my lecture tour, Rutgers is hosting an online exhibition of some of my work housed at the American Academy, focusing on entertainment in ancient Rome in 4 ancient cities. The tour is sponsored by the Rutgers Department of Classics in association with Brookings College, the Paideia Institute, the Harvard Department of Classics, and the Boston Archaeological Institute of America. In the meantime, I invite you to visit my blog at followinghadrian.com or to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Just look for Following Hadrian. Thank you for watching and see you soon.